क्या हुआ तुझे? And she had to pay extra baggage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and I'm in Seoul, South Korea for a work trip. Actually, I'm going back home right now when I'm filming this. Basically, ended up booking a business class flight for myself. I just wanted a very comfortable flight because it is about 10 hours long. So let me take you through the entire experience. Let's get started. Okay, so the reason I'm filming this while going back home instead of filming it coming here is because it was a night flight and I knew I was mostly going to sleep. This is a day flight, I'm awake, I'm going to experience everything and record it for you guys. So while coming back, because it was a night flight, my flight was delayed also. I didn't end up doing anything. We were just running around and sleeping. I didn't get to experience any of the lounges, which was so sad. So right now I'm at the Seoul Business Lounge, which is called One World. Very well lit, very spacious, lots of food options, not many veg, but that's Korea for you. Coffee bar, alcohol bar, lots of things to do, and it's very quiet and nice. And I'm having soy soup and some hash browns. And I have about 2 hours to kill, so I feel like this is a very comfortable place to sit at. So I collaborated with a Korean influencer over here, and she is amazing, so sweet, so nice and everything. And she also gave me this like jacket from her brand, and I wore it because it's so warm and cozy. And I have spilled soup at a couple of places and I'm so sad. मेरे साथ ही होता है हमेशा spilling. मैं सोच रही हूँ अभी bib लेके घूमूं हर जगह पे so I don't ruin my clothes. Also, if you guys didn't notice, I got a haircut. You know what I mean? Like my hair has always been long, and anybody who asks me to get short hair, I'm just like no. And oh my god, the experience was insane. By the way, I told the hairdresser I wanted highlights. She said no. I told the hairdresser I wanted to go lighter brown. She said no. I told her to keep some length. She said no. Like वो तुम्हारी नहीं सुनते हैं. हमारे hairdressers हमारी बात सुनते हैं. These people don't listen to what you have to say, but they just know what will look good on you. And yesterday I was shopping, and every time I passed by a mirror, I was like, who's that? And I was like, it's me. And I think it suits me. I think maybe this collar is not doing it justice right now, but I do feel like I look younger, like probably 20 years old, which is great, but I don't know how I feel about that. But let me know what you guys think about the haircut in the comments below. There is some famous celebrity. सबके phone ऊपर है तो मैंने भी phone ऊपर कर लिया है कौन? It's crazy. I don't know who's there. Yeah, I know that. We don't know who it is. We don't know. पंचायत तो करनी है ना कि oh, is it that? Oh, it's not this person. He just looked very good, so I thought no. There are bags at the airport. मुझे देखने इतने लोग आ गए. It's like, where's the privacy, guys? Please give me some privacy. People really like love celebrity.
May we have your attention, please? The aircraft is now being refueled.
So we don't know who that person was, but it was a boy band of 4 boys, and there were lots of bodyguards with them. So that was there, and the fandom is crazy. Like I love that. So there is a chickpea thing over here, which I'm gonna try. It's cold, so it's like a salad. It's not sabzi, which I really am hungry. I'm very hungry. Then we have this thing, which looks like a khakra or a roti or a naan. We don't know. Let's try it. What like layers? It's a roti, but it's very thick. I think I'm just gonna have my salad and some fruit maybe. So I told the guy that भाई वेज में cheese दे दो मुझे because I'm very very hungry. So he said, oh, the cheese platters later. because you'll still have your main course. And I was like, oh, thank God, because I thought that was the main course, but turns out that was the breakfast or pre-meal or whatever. There's sabzi, there's rice, there is some malai type paneer thing. I'm very hungry. I don't know why. I have woken up at 4 a.m. today to catch this flight, so quite hungry. But let's. It's so bad. There's like a French bean sabzi which has carrot. I can't eat this. There's a methi ka sabzi which is good. I can't wait to go home and just.
2 hours later.
So I took a really nice nap and now I'm very sleepy still, but my ears have. What is it called? Like there's air pressure and my ears are blocked. I'm trying to unblock it now. I just exited the aircraft and the people were like, move, you can't wait, you can't wait. I'm moving, I'm walking, and then suddenly a girl walking ahead of me turns, opens her big camera, and she starts taking photos. And I'm like, what is happening? Turns out, next to me was the bodyguard, and right behind me was the entire boy band. And it was crazy when we exited the airport. It's called JML, the band. I haven't heard of it, but if you guys are fans, because there were so many of them, please let me know in the comments. I have arrived at one of their business lounges. They have like 3 of them, and I found vegetarian pasta. After like 8 days, I love pasta, and so far I've not found anything. So I'm very excited to eat. So in this flight we have an additional blanket, slippers and this skincare kit which wasn't there in the previous one. So let's see what's inside. So first thing we have is eye mask, not a eye mask wearer, but I guess it's great for travel. Next we have a toothbrush and toothpaste kit. Nice. There's an advanced care mouthwash. I actually would prefer using a mouthwash on a plane compared to a toothbrush and toothpaste. That's just me. Next we've got earplugs. This I'm gonna use because I don't know, like my ears are getting blocked up a lot today. Moving on to my favorite things. We have a multi-balm. Let's try it because my fingers are actually quite dry. It's sealed. Smells like eucalyptus, I guess. I don't know. It's very balmy texture. It's like almost warm a little bit. It's like a tiger balm energy, but skincare. Wow, very, very herbal smelling. Also, the view is insane right now. It's like sunset but cloudy. Next, we've got a cooling body gel. That's new. Okay. It's like a gel consistency. It's very cold. I don't know what it smells like. Can't tell. I still prefer the balms, I guess, because my skin is quite dry right now. And the last thing we have is a botanical pillow mist. Let's try. My hands are too slippery. Smells botanical, that's all I can tell. That's actually quite nice. Honestly, like it has everything you would need when you're traveling on a long flight. So the first flight was about 4 hours and this one is 6 hours long. So I guess it makes more sense to have stuff in this one. Love it. And the menu here is also a little different but veg options are shit. So my agent has like pre-booked a Hindu veg meal. So I'm just gonna be eating that. This is the appetizer. There's just like veggie salad, dahi, naan with what? But there is veg pickle. So I'm gonna try pickle and naan and see what that's tasting like. Also, is it just me who's getting like super hungry on flights? I don't know what it is. Like, आज मेरी भूख खुली है, if that makes sense. Like, I've eaten so much in the lounges, in the aircraft. Unreal. That's good pickle. Spicy. Spoon ही नहीं है, दही कैसे खाओ? Guess I'm gonna drink it. जीरा है गाइस, दही में जीरा है. Oh my god! And that's about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know which of my Korea content piece was your favorite. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!